Good day my friend, and welcome to the Mercedes W126 channel. On this video I will show you how to replace an EGR valve on a Mercedes 300 SD. So where's the EGR valve and why we must change it? Well, the valve is here, right here. We must change it because if we notice that the car throws some smoke, if the car's got loss of power, if it's hard to start, highly likely this needs to be replaced. To remove the EGR valve, very easy. We remove this, then later we gonna loosen this. It's a number 11. And finally, we'll remove those two screws. We're gonna use an Allen spanner number 6. Well, I understand why that valve needs to be changed. It's completely toast. It doesn't move at all. Normally, if you press inside, the piston should be moving. It's not moving at all. It's absolutely full of carbon. So now we're gonna replace it with the new one. The model is a little bit different, but it doesn't matter. The important is that it works on the car. As usual, of course, I will give you the part number. So like that, if you want to buy it, then you have it. To mount it, it's exactly the same thing as we removed it, but we just make sure that we place the new seal here and we mount it. That's it, it's now replaced. So as you see, it's a very simple fix. Okay, now if you want to see how to change the fuel pump, you can watch that video. If not, watch my channel and you'll see plenty of other video on how to repair the car.